This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter.
Yo, what's up? This is Audi Q6 e-tron Sportback Quattro e-tron. Okay, whatever. I think I mixed up all the notation in the name, but it has this sloping edge here, you know. It's more aerodynamic. It's more efficient. Sure, maybe you have to pay extra for less space, but how much less space do you get? The Q6 e-tron, the boxy one, could fit a lot of boxes. So you're gonna test now, how much are you missing out on this sexier butt? So just like the regular e-tron, we have a relatively large frunk, even though it's smaller than a Firefly. Okay, anyway. Now it seems like it won't fit, you know, if you do it like this. But actually, the frunk here, it has a little budge on the top, so it actually makes it possible to close it. Let me show you now. There, it actually barely fits. You see, here's different. We get this sexy butt. Oh, it looks nice, and it's also more aerodynamic. You see, it should have kick sensor here somewhere. Well, I have to do the capoeira. Okay, maybe not. Okay, let me just use the button. Wait, what the heck is that? Wait, I've seen this before. I wonder if because it detects that I'm close by, so I have to. Okay, I don't know what's up with this. Yeah, I tried to press and hold this button here to reset it. There's something here about, okay, where the kick sensor is. Oh, so when the key fob is nearby, then you can, oh yeah, I forgot. There is this arrow that shows there. That's where the kick sensor is. So when the key fob is nearby, which is the case now, I'm not sure where the heck the arrow is, and you're supposed to just present your foot there. Maybe this car doesn't have it. No, it should be quite fully loaded. Okay. I don't know what's up with this. No, don't close it. Dude. Now it randomly opens. Okay, whatever. So you have a smaller trunk here. Well, the depth should be the same, but it's just the sloping back end. So we can take out this as usual. And then let me check here. The subwoofer is down here. And we actually have okay space, but how is this? I could not remove it this last time. I think I just have to put it like that and then take out the partial shelf and we should be ready to go. Okay, standard. Here we can fold the seat. We have the armhang there. We can actually lower the suspension in the back. We have some straps here for holding cargo. That's also for folding the other seat. And then, yeah, I think, what, did it lower? Not sure. Okay, round one in the trunk. The fat Q6, or what I should call it, could take 10 boxes plus one in the front. Here we can only take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 less. With other German cars, usually when you get the Sportback or the ID5 versus ID4, you get only 1 less box. But here, 2 less boxes. Uh-oh, this is not looking very good. Okay, let's fold the seat and try again. Then I can just do this. See, take out this, right? Very convenient. Just pull there and pull there. Done. D-U-N. Wait. Okay. All right, as usual, I try to put as many boxes as possible in here. And just like the fat Q6, we also cannot lay down the box flat. And if you compare it to the other video, you see that we have quite similar layout here on how we put things, except for here, because the other Q6 had sunroof. Here we don't have it, but we still managed to kind of stack it really well. But I noticed towards the end here in the back end, since there was no box, then it was harder to fit everything. Okay, the fat Q6 can take 26 boxes plus 1 in the front. What about here, the sexy Q6? Well, let's turn up the pitch and start counting.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
21, 22. What? Okay, plus 1 in front, 23. But 23 versus 27, that is quite huge. Okay, in the back there, we managed to get 2 difference. But then once we folded, it became 4 boxes difference. I'm not sure if it has anything to do with the dimension, because the Sportback is 2 centimeters lower than the fat Q6. And where did that go? Was it in the cabin? Did they stretch it out in the big? Or was it just that the suspension been lower? I'm not sure about that, but at least the test now shows that we have significantly less space here in the Sportback. But again, the Sportback is sexier. So which one should you go for, huh? The fat Q6 or the sexy Q6 e-tron? Okay, that's gonna be for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.